Peter Jones. I'm the chair of the Ethernet Alliance and I'm here at OFC 2025. The thing about the Ethernet Alliance is we try and make sure that we preserve Ethernet's brand. Ethernet's brand value is it just works. So, making it just work. So we have Plugfest behind closed doors to make sure it just works. Then we come and show it just working and we go talk about it just working. Because the key thing we need to do is explain the value of Ethernet to all the people who use it.
Good morning. Welcome to OFC 2025. My name is David Rodgers. I'm the Events and Conferences Chair and President of the Ethernet Alliance. I'm standing at the Ethernet Alliance Interoperability Demonstration, one of the hallmarks and staples of the Optical Fiber Conference showcases. This year we're showcasing 16 members products ranging from 10 gig to 800 gig. As I've talked about in the past, my main focus is interoperability. So we have a lot of vendors providing a lot of different interconnect solutions, one of which being the Linear Pluggable Optic, or LPO. New to the market, we showcased a few of these last season. This year we have every single optical manufacturer providing an LPO in our booth. We've also showcasing some 800 gig ZR products. I mention this because the interoperability between what would be a linear pluggable optic and a ZR, it would be very difficult. Interoperability is becoming intrinsically more difficult with the advent of new technologies and new communications and new interconnect schemes. The Ethernet Alliance, in its dedication both into engineering and private events as well as these public demonstrations, is all about showcasing interoperability. The AI push is providing quite a demand on interoperability. Hyperscalers are optimizing systems. They're going to the market requiring specific interconnect solutions, switches, NICs, storage arrays, and bringing those all together requires a dedicated effort to make certain that the vendor A and vendor B products work together and work together well and flawlessly. As you'll see in the demo, and some of my colleagues will speak to this demo later on in this video, we have quite a bit of diversity in the interconnect, as I said, and how those are operating and the protocols that are operating across those interconnects. Ethernet Alliance continues to be dedicated to the advancement of all things Ethernet, whether that come from an MSA or another standards body, but we showcase all of those things in this demonstration. The products that you see behind me range from test and measurement, interconnect, switches, NICs, and they're all working seamlessly together at this year's Optical Fiber Conference. Thank you.